Here we are told to find the point of intersection of the lines 1/2 x plus 2/3 y equals 1 and 3/4 x minus 1/3 y equals 2. Now the first thing I definitely want to do is to get rid of the fractions, because let's admit it, nobody likes fractions. So here for the first equation, to get rid of the fractions I must multiply every term by the least common denominator. So I look at the 2 and I look at the 3 right here and right here, and I find the least common denominator, which is going to be 6. So I'm going to multiply everything in that equation by 6. So that's going to give me 3x plus 4y equals 6. Now the second equation, the same thing. I'm going to look at the denominators, which is going to be 4 and 3. Find the least common denominator, which will be 12. So I multiply every term by 12. So that's going to give me 9x minus 4y equals 24. Now that I've done that, I should be able to tell quickly that this 4y and the negative 4y will cancel if I add them together. So I'm going to add these equations together. So when I do that, 3x plus 9x will give me 12x. The 4y, the negative 4y will cancel. I'm left with, on the right side, equaling 30. So divide both sides by 12 to get x equals 30 over 12, which will reduce, and that's going to give me 5 over 2. So I found 5 over 2 is x. I need to find the y value. So I can plug 5/2 into any of my equations that I have. It could be the first two original ones, or it could be the two ones without fractions. It's up to you. Whichever one you decide, you'll get the same final answer. So if it's me, I'll probably choose one of these over here without the fractions. So I'll pick the first one, the 3x plus 4y equals 6. So I get 3 times x, and x we said is 5 over 2, plus 4 times y equals 6. So when I solve this, I'm going to get 15 over 2 plus 4y equals 6. Subtract 15 over 2 from both sides, and we get 4y equals 6 minus 15 over 2 will give me negative 3 over 2. And now to get the y by itself, I divide both sides by 4, and get y equals negative 3 over 8. So my final answer is going to be x equals 5/2, y equals negative 3 over 8. So as an ordered pair, which is what the problem has it written as, would be 5/2 and then comma negative 3 over 8. And that's going to be my final answer.